In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform designed to help you manage tasks, projects, and workflows seamlessly. One of its standout features is time tracking, which allows you to monitor how much time you spend on tasks, helping you stay organized and efficient. Whether you're working on a solo project or collaborating with a team, tracking your time can provide valuable insights into your productivity. So let's dive right in and learn how to use this feature effectively. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your ClickUp account. You can do this by entering your email and password, or using one of the supported social login options. If you're new to ClickUp and don't have an account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. After signing in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. This is especially important if you're part of multiple workspaces. You can check which workspace you're currently in by looking at the top left corner of the interface. Switch if needed to ensure you're in the workspace where you want to track your time. Next, locate your profile image or account name in the top right corner of the ClickUp homepage. Click on this area to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Track Time. This will open the time tracking window where you can start recording your work. Now you'll have two options for tracking time. The first option is to enter your time manually. If you already know how long you've worked on a task, you can type it in using a format like 3 hours and 20 minutes. The second option is to track your time live. Simply start the timer when you begin working and pause or stop it when you're done. This option is particularly useful for real-time tracking and ensures accuracy. Once you've recorded the time, it's important to attach it to a specific task. Use the task selector within the time tracking window to search for and select the task you've been working on. If the correct task isn't listed, you can add a new task directly from this menu. This ensures your time entry is always linked to the appropriate item in your workflow. After attaching your time entry to a task, take a moment to review the details. Check the duration you've entered or tracked, confirm the selected task, and make sure everything looks accurate. If you're using the live timer, don't forget to stop it once you've completed your work. This will finalize the recorded time. When you're satisfied with your time entry, click Save to record it and attach it to the chosen task. This step ensures your time log is stored and visible within your workspace. To view your recorded time, navigate to the Tasks Activity section or access your workspace's time tracking views. Here, you can monitor all the time entries you've logged and see how they contribute to your overall productivity. If at any point you need to make changes to your time entry, don't worry. You can edit or update your recorded time later to ensure everything remains accurate. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to track time in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.